Climate change is becoming a more controversial subject every single day. But should it even be controversial? There are many subjects within science that have been questioned, such as if the Earth is flat, is evolution really how humans became humans, and if vaccines cause autism. Unfortunately, it seems like climate change, an issue that is very current and is closer to deciding our fate each day, is taken the least serious of the most of these controversies. Why is this? Why are some people on the fence, and why do some people flat out deny climate change? I believe that even if someone is dismissive or doubtful of climate change, using consensus to discuss the issue with them could start to change minds. It just depends on how the consensus is laid out. Consensus has a role to being the gateway belief for a lot of people when it comes to climate change. When it comes to each of the 6 Americas we talked about in class, I believe there are different ways to go about addressing climate change for each group. For those who are cautious, who may be on the fence and don't see climate change as an issue, the best way to go about talking to them would be to show them recent data on stuff like population growth and greenhouse gas emissions. This sharp recent rise in both of these will kind of hopefully be like an alert and show them that this issue is growing very quickly. For those who are doubtful, who may be uncertain if climate change is even happening, the best way to talk to them would be to first ask them why they think what they think and what they have to back up their beliefs. It's important to be understanding and have flowing conversation and just be open to other ideas and opinions. For those who are dismissive, who are convinced climate change is not real, this will be the biggest challenge. To talk with them, you must take a similar role as to people who are doubtful and listen to them and discuss why they think that what they think. After you go through understanding their side of the argument, you must address your argument with caution. You must be doing lots of research, back up your sources well, because you just need to show them that your data is cemented and it is true fact. Some people are harder to convince than others, but the main point of convincing people that climate change is a serious issue is combining consensus and conversation to understand why one thinks what one thinks. It should never be a competition to see who is more correct.